Hello students, welcome to Deeksha Online Mathematics. Let us discuss some problems in complex numbers and properties of triangles. Sine of log of I to the power of I to the base e. This is a very simple problem. Here my aim is to tell you how the logarithm can be found for a complex number. So you know that any complex number you have a form called r cis theta, where r is the modulus, theta is the amplitude, and you know that cis theta you have a Euler's formula e power I theta. Cis theta is e power I theta. Now if I apply logarithm for a plus ib, if you use the Euler's form, it will be log r plus I theta. So if you observe carefully, log of modulus of z, if z is this a plus ib, log mod z plus I into amp of z. So again it is in the a plus ib form. So log mod z is a real number, amp of z is also a real number. So logarithm of a complex number is again a complex number in the form of a plus ib. Now, so to write logarithm of a complex number, we want log modulus plus I into amp. So real part of the result is log mod z and imaginary part is simply amp. Suppose if I ask there, the question is sine of, I can write I log I to the base e. I power I log I power I is I log I. So what is log I? That is the question. So logarithm of a complex number, log modulus 1 to the base e plus I into, what is the amp of I? Pi by 2. So log 1 is 0, so I pi by 2. So if you substitute in sine of I into log I is I pi by 2, which is sine minus pi by 2, which is minus 1. Next problem. If mod z1 equal to 2, mod z2 equal to 3, mod z3 equal to 4, and mod of z1 plus z2 plus z3 is 5, then we want modulus of 4 z2 z3 plus 9 z3 z1 plus 16 z1 z2. Okay. Now you have a formula zz bar equal to mod z square. So let us use it. So can I say z1 bar equal to mod z1 square, that is 4, z2 bar equal to 9, z3 bar equal to 16. Now the question is mod 4 z2 z3, 9 z3 z1, 16 z1 z2. So I can take z1 z2 z3 common. So outside if I write, it will be mod z1 mod z2 mod z3. So you will get 4 by z1 9 by z2 16 by z3. So please remember, inside I took z1 z2 z3 common. It is under modulus, so they came outside with modulus. So inside you got this. Then what is 4? Can I write z1 bar? So z1 gets cancelled. So mod z1 2 into 3 into 4 here, and z1 bar by z1 means z1 bar plus z2 bar plus z3 bar. But modulus of z1 plus z1 bar plus z2 bar plus z3 bar is, you can write whole bar. This you can make whole bar. But modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 whole bar is same as modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3. So you can remove the modulus also. So you can remove the conjugate, z1 plus z2 plus z3 whole bar, that bar you can remove, whose value is given as 5. So answer is 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That's it. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 7 equals to 0, then the value of alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1 plus beta minus 1 by gamma minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 by alpha minus 1 equal to dash. Just you observe the given equation. If you observe the given equation, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x. So it's a cube minus 3ab square, 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube equal to minus 8. So that plus 7 I am writing like this. So if plus this minus 8 comes inside, plus 8 minus 1 plus 8 will be plus 7. There is no mistake. Now this can be written as left side can be written as x minus 1 whole cube. So it is correct or not? Check. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to minus 8. So what will be x minus 1 cube the roots of minus 8, which are minus 2 omega minus 2 omega square. So they gave that alpha, beta, gamma are the roots, no? So I can take alpha minus 1 as b minus 2, beta minus 1 as minus 2 omega, gamma minus 1 as minus 2 omega square. So directly you can substitute in the place of alpha minus 1, that is minus 2 by minus 2 omega plus minus 2 omega by minus 2 omega square plus minus 2 omega square by minus 2. Let's simplify, you will get the answer. Okay, next problem. Sigma k equal to 1 to 10 sine of 2k pi by 11 minus I cos of 2k pi by 11. Same thing by divided by pi product. Numerator is summation, denominator is product. But the given thing is not in the form of cis. That's why this sine 2k pi by 11 minus I cos 2k pi by 11. If I take minus I common here, it will be cos 2k pi by 11 plus I sin 2k pi by 11. You know that this is nothing but 11th roots of unity, 2k pi by 11, no? That's why 11th roots of unity, where that k will be from 0 to 10. But in your question, it is from k equal to 1 to. Okay, now if I substitute this in the question, the numerator I am doing. So numerator simplification I am doing. So sigma means summation, so this minus I we will take common. Then what you have? Sum of all the roots except k equal to 0. If k equal to 0, what is that? Sum of all the roots will be 0. If k equal to 0, it is 1. That's why it will be minus 1, which is equal to minus I into minus 1, which is I. Then what is the denominator? Denominator is product. Denominator is product. So product means for k equal to 1 to 10, this minus I will be multiplied whole power 10, and it is the product of roots. Product of 11th roots of unity except 1. In the product, if 1 is there or not makes no difference. But in the sum, it makes the sum of the makes the difference. Sum of all 11 roots of unity will be 0. That's why sum of the roots except 1 will be minus 1. Whereas the product of the roots formula is minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. Here 11th roots, no? So minus 1 whole power n minus 1 is 10, which is plus 1. And minus power 10 is plus I power 10 is minus 1. Because I power 10 is I square minus 1. So the given question reduces to I to the I by minus 1, which is minus I. Next problem. If alpha naught, alpha 1, alpha 2, so on, alpha n minus 1 are the nth roots of unity, then the value of sigma I equal to 0 to n minus 1 alpha I divided by 2 minus alpha I. So you know, when they are the nth roots of unity, this x power n minus 1 by theory of equations you can write x minus alpha naught, x minus alpha 1, so on, x minus alpha n minus 1. So nth roots of unity. Now if you apply logarithm on both sides, right side it would become log of x minus alpha naught plus log of x minus alpha 1 plus so on log of x minus alpha n minus 1. If I differentiate with respect to x both sides, it will be n into x power n minus 1 by x power n minus 1, 1 by x minus alpha naught plus 1 by x minus alpha 1 plus so on 1 by x minus alpha n minus 1. So if I put x equals to 2, because I want 2 minus alpha I know here, so by putting I equal to 0 alpha naught, so if I put x equal to 2, n into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1 is 1 by 2 minus alpha naught plus 1 by 2 minus alpha 1 plus so on 1 by 2 minus alpha n minus 1. But your question is summation of I equal to 0 to n minus 1 alpha I by 2 minus alpha I. So can I write this as this alpha I, you have alpha I, no? So I'll write a minus sign here. So 2 minus alpha I plus 2 if I write. So actually, minus 2. So because 2 minus alpha I minus 2, 2 gets cancelled, so minus into minus plus again alpha by 2 minus alpha. So which is how much? Minus, if you put bracket and separate the sigma, so sigma I equal to 0 to n minus 1, 2 minus alpha by 2 minus alpha is 1 plus 2 sigma 1 by 2 minus alpha I. So this value is nothing but this sigma 1 by 2 minus alpha I. So you can replace it and you can simplify. Next problem. Ziz and z plus iz are the vertices of a triangle whose area is 4 square unit, then mod z is. So if you take z like this, so iz, by Kunis method, when I is multiplied to z, modulus of I is 1, so no effect on the modulus. Amp of I is 90 degrees, so this complex vector will rotate 90 degrees. This is ij. Then if you join these two, the midpoint of these two will be z plus iz by 2. Then from origin, if you join that midpoint and extend it equally, then this will be z plus iz. So this is the triangle area which we are given as 4 square units. But that triangle area will be equal to this triangle area. Then what is the area? This is mod z and this is mod iz. This complex number is ij. This complex number is z. You know it is called affix. So what is the area? Half mod z, mod ij is also mod z, is given as 4. So what is mod z square? 8. So mod z value will be 2 root 2. Next problem. If omega is a complex cube root of unity and a comma b comma c are such that 1 by a plus omega plus 1 by b plus omega plus 1 by c plus omega is equal to 2 omega square, and 1 by a plus omega square plus 1 by b plus omega square plus 1 by c plus omega square is 2 omega, then the value of 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1 plus 1 by c plus 1 equal to dash. If you observe carefully, the given informations I can write like this: 1 by a plus omega, b plus omega, c plus omega is 2 by omega. Omega square I am writing 1 by omega. Similarly, the second information, a plus omega square 1 plus b omega square 1 by c plus omega square is 2 omega can be written as 2 by omega square. So when by observing these two, I can write in the place of omega I am writing x and omega square also x. So what I will say now, equal 2 by x. So I will say that for this equation, omega and omega square are two roots by observing these two. So 1 by a plus x plus 1 by b plus x plus 1 by c plus x equals to 2 by x, for which omega and omega square are the roots. If you observe carefully and take LCM, x into x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, because actually you will take a plus x into b plus x into c plus x as LCM. In the numerator for a plus x you will get b plus x into c plus x plus a plus x into c plus x plus a plus x into b plus x is equal to 2 times a plus x into b plus x into c plus x. Observe carefully, this is a cubic equation. It is a cubic equation. On the right side you are going to get x square coefficient as, if you expand it, x square coefficient, because x plus a into x plus b into x plus c can be written as x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square. So 2 times, what do you get? 2 times a plus b plus c into x square. Even if you expand the left side also, x square coefficient you are getting the same thing. Means if you simplify, x square coefficient will become 0. Means sum of the roots must be 0. If the sum of roots is 0, already 2 roots is omega and omega square, and sum of the roots is 0, the other root must be 1. So other root must be 1. So that other root also should satisfy the given equation, this given equation. So 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1 plus 1 by c plus 1 should be 2 by 1. That is your question. So answer is 2. Next problem. Among the complex numbers z, satisfying modulus of z minus 25i less than or equal to 15, then z having minimum amp and modulus, and z having maximum amp and modulus. So actually here I want z having minimum amp and minimum modulus, z having maximum amp and maximum modulus. So there are 4 questions. So if you observe carefully, if I take equal to 15, so 0, 25 will be the center and 15 be the radius. So this will be 0, 25 and this radius is 15. So this other part will be 10. Now this is origin. So 0, 25. Now from origin, if I draw a tangent, I can say this is the complex number. Suppose if I name it as A, that is a complex number with minimum amp. As OA rotates in the anticlockwise direction and takes the position of other side tangent, let this is B, then that will be the complex number with maximum amplitude. With minimum modulus, I think this is the complex number. Suppose if I take at C, that is minimum modulus, and if I take something like D here, that is with maximum modulus. Now if I join this is radius, which is 15, and this is 25. So Pythagoras theorem, 625 minus 225, 400, then this will be equal to 20. Then I think you can find this angle by using tan theta by 2 equal to r by root s11. So get this angle. Then here r is how much? Radius 15, root s1 is length of tangent 20, 5 3s are 5 4s are. So theta equal to 2 tan inverse 3 by 4. So 2 tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So 9 by 16. So how much? 2 tan inverse. So 16 minus 9, 7. 7 by 16. So let us simplify. You will get theta. This is the angle. So after getting tan theta by 2, you got this angle, no? Then this will be 90 minus. So I can say this is the amplitude of A, and 20 is this amplitude. So it's just like this. Suppose if it is theta by 2, then pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So can I use 20 cis pi by 2 minus tan theta by 2 will give you the complex number A with minimum amp. Then you can find the point B also, because you can say B is the reflection of A only in second quadrant. And what is C point? C is I think 10i. And what will be D point? Because already at 25, another 15, so 40i. So we got all the Z values with minimum amp. Minimum amp is A, maximum amp is B, minimum modulus is C, maximum modulus is D. Next problem. A complex number Z is said to be unimodular if mod Z is 1. Okay. Suppose Z1 and Z2 are complex numbers such that Z1 minus 2Z2 divided by 2 minus Z1 Z2 bar is unimodular, and Z2 is not unimodular. Then I want locus of Z1. So Z1 minus 2Z2 by 2 minus Z1 Z2 bar is unimodular, means 1. So can I write mod of Z1 minus 2Z2 whole square equal to 2 minus Z1 Z2 bar whole square. You have a formula for mod of Z1 minus Z2 whole square. Or if you don't know the formula, you should use the main property. So Z1 minus 2Z2 into Z1 minus 2Z2 bar. Whole bar we can split because ZZ bar is mod Z square. So you can use this formula. 2 minus Z1 Z2 bar into its bar. 2 bar is 2 minus Z1 bar Z2, because Z1 Z2 whole bar is Z1 bar Z2 bar bar. Z2 bar is nothing but Z2. So if we expand this Z1 bar which is again mod Z1 square minus Z1 minus 2Z2 bar, so minus 2 Z1 Z2 bar minus 2 Z2 Z1 bar plus 2 to the 4 mod Z2 square. So simplify right side also. Some terms gets cancelled. You bring all to one side. Then you will get mod Z1 square minus 4 into mod Z2 square minus 1 equal to 0. But Z2 is not unimodal, so this is not possible. So only this is possible. So mod Z1 will be 2. So we're asking what? So when we got mod Z1 equal to 2, we're asking locus of Z1, no? So the locus of Z1 will be a circle with center at origin and radius 2 units. Next problem. In triangle ABC, the line joining the circumcenter and center is parallel to BC. Then I want the value of cos B plus cos C. Let us take the triangle ABC. S is the circumcenter, I is the incenter. It is parallel to BC. Then from S, if I draw a perpendicular, this length must be R. Smaller, because from incenter perpendicular distance to any side is in radius, that is smaller. Since SI is parallel to BC, no? Now if I join SB and SC, and you know that there is a circumcircle for which SC is the center and BC is the chord. BC makes here how much angle? Angle A. So this total angle will be 2A. So what will be this angle? A. So in this small triangle, if I apply cos A, it should be smaller because this length will be smaller by hypotenuse, which is circumradius, which is capital. But in any triangle, you know that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus small r by capital R. So there are some standard results, we should learn them. Now for the situation, cos A and small r by capital R are equal. So that gets cancelled. So the value of cos B plus cos C will be 1. Next problem. In triangle ABC, if cos A cos B plus sin A sin B sin C equals to 1, then A is to B is to C equals to dash. Now if you observe this given information, this cos A cos B I am writing. Suppose if I write cos of A minus B. What is the formula for cos of A minus B? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So I am removing sin A sin B. So it is nothing but cos A cos B now. Plus sin A sin B sin C equal to 1. Now what will be cos of A minus B? 1. In these two, minus sin A sin B is common. So 1 minus sin C will be in the brackets. Send it right side. So plus sin A sin B into 1 minus sin C. Observe carefully. In any triangle, sin A sin B cannot be negatives and maximum value of sin C is always 1. So this total quantity cannot be negative. So 1 plus a non-negative, and that too cos of A minus B whose maximum value is 1. The only possibility is this quantity must be 0. When this quantity is 0, cos of A minus B will become 1. So when this quantity will become 0, when sin C equal to 1, that is the angle C must be 90 degrees. Then automatically what happens? A equal to B, because A minus B is 0. Therefore, which type of triangle it is? Right angle isosceles. Okay, what I want? A is to B is to C, which is sin A is to sin B is to sin. So when C is 90, A and B are equal, what will be those values? 45 degrees. So sin A is to sin B is to sin C. A is to B is to C. Sin A is to sin B is to sin C. So you got the angles A as 45, B as 45 and C as 90 degrees. Substitute and you will get the answer. Next problem. A triangle ABC has sides 6, 7, 8. The line through its incenter parallel to the shortest side is drawn. to meet the other two sides at P and Q, then PQ equals to dash. So if you take the triangle as A, B, C, so this is small c which is given 6, assume. This is B, 7, this is A, 8. So a line through in center, assume this is in center, parallel to the shortest side. So meeting at P and Q. So we want that length of PQ. So what to do? Let us draw perpendiculars. Remember, these perpendiculars will be R. So can we get that R value? Yes, because delta by using Heron's formula. What is S value? S value is 21 by 2. 21 by 2. So by using Heron's formula, under root of S into S minus C into S minus B into S minus C, you will get delta value as 21 by 4 into root 50. So the calculations part you do. So I think after that you can find R value with delta by S. So R value will be how much? Delta by S means root 15 by 2, because S is 21 now. 21 by 2. S is 6 plus 7 13 plus 8 21 by 2. So S value is, sorry, 21 I said, I think 21 by 2. 2S is 21. So S value is 21 by 2. So R value will be root 15 by 2. So we got R value. Now, when three sides are given, I think I can get cos A value. Cos A value how much? B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So 49 plus 36 minus 64 is how much? 21, I think. 9 plus 15 means 21 by 2 into 7 into 8. Cos A, no? So sorry, 2 into 7 into 6. 2As. So 7 ones are 7 threes are 3 ones are 3 twos are means 1 by 4. So when cos A is 1 by 4, what will be the tan A by trigonometry? Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. So opposite will be root 15. So tan A will be root 15 by 1, which is root 15. But in this triangle, if you observe tan A, this tan A, can I say, you name this point as some P dash and this is some Q dash. So tan A, can I write R by AP dash is root 15, and R value you got as root 15 by 2, so you will get AP dash value. So get the AP dash value. How much? See, R value is root 15 by 2, no? So root 15 gets cancelled. That is 1 by 2, I think. Now similarly, what is cos B? First use cosine rule. So by cosine rule, if you use A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC, you will get 17 by 32. From that, get tan B value using Pythagoras theorem other side. That will be 7 root 15 by 17. Then again tan B will be what? R by BQ dash, no? So R value you know. So from this you will get BQ dash value. So after getting BQ dash value, so the requirement is PQ, which is nothing but P dash Q dash which is some from 6, you have to remove AP dash plus BQ dash, which already you know. Okay, I hope you can simplify. Next problem. In any triangle ABC, if sin A, sin B, sin C are AP, the maximum value of tan B by 2 is. So when sin A, sin B, sin C are in AP, can I write sin A plus sin C equal to 2 sin B? So if you apply transformations, 2 sin of A plus C by 2 cos A minus C by 2 equal to 2 sin B by 2, 2 into 2 sin B by 2 cos B by 2. So I think sin 1 2 gets cancelled. Sin A plus C by 2 is nothing but cos B by 2 gets cancelled. So which is cos A minus C by 2 by sin B by 2, I want to write cos A plus C by 2, which is 2 by 1. So if I apply component and dividendo, cos A minus C by 2 plus cos A plus C by 2 is 2 cos A by 2 cos C by 2 by cos difference minus cos sum 2 sin A by 2 sin C by 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, 3. So what we got, tan A by 2 into tan C by 2, I got 1 by 3. Keep aside. Now tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2 plus arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. Geometric means square root of, that is, can I say 1 by root 3. So keep this aside. Then we have A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to pi by 2, no? Because in a triangle sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Then I can say T2 will be equal to 1. So what is T2? T2 means tan A by 2 tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 tan C by 2 plus tan C by 2 tan A by 2, which is equal to 1 by 3 equal to 1. So send 1 by 3 that side and take tan B by 2 common here. Then you will get tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2 inside equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 will be 2 by 3. And this in the brackets, what you got? Tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2. Shift this to right side. So what you will get, you are getting tan B by 2 equal to, observe, 2 divided by 3 times tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2. When I want minimum value of tan B by 2, I should give maximum for tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2. So tan AM is greater than or equal to GM, no? So tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2 is minimum is 1 by root 3. Minimum is 1 by root 3. When minimum of tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2 is 1 by root 3, if I substitute it here, then tan B by 2 I'll get maximum, no? So 2 by 3 into 1 by root 3, which is equal to how much? Sorry, this tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2 by 2, no? By 2 is greater than or equal to 1 by root 3, no? So tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2 minimum value is not 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3. So root 3 gets, 1 root 3 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. So the maximum value is how much you are getting? 1 by root 3. Next problem. If the incircle of a triangle ABC passes through its circumcenter, then cos A plus cos B plus cos C is dash. See, here you have to remember some formulae. There are in any standard book you will have some formulae for distance between incenter and circumcenter. Circumcenter is S, incenter is I. there is a formula for that, which is under root of capital R square minus 2 small r capital R. So what they said, in circle is passing through circumcenter means in circle radius is small r, no? That should be equal to the distance between circumcenter and in center, because circumcenter is on the in circle now. So if you square this, r square minus 2 small r capital R is small r square. So if I write this r square minus 2 small r capital R plus capital R square equal to 0, divide with capital R square, so r by r whole square minus 2 r by r plus 1 equal to 0, then r by r will be minus 1 r square, is it correct simplification? So r square plus 2r square minus r square, is it correct? Plus this, I think here minus 1, you will get minus 1 here. So r square plus 2 plus 2 small r capital R minus r square, so it is minus 1. So r by r is minus 1 plus r minus under root of minus 2, no? Minus 2 plus r minus b square minus 4s means 4 by 2, which is 2 root 2. 2 common gets cancelled. Minus 1 plus r minus root 2. But minus 1 minus is not possible, so root 2 minus 1. Again, you know the formula for cos a plus cos b plus cos c, no? This result is very, very important. 1 plus small r by capital R, which is 1 plus root 2 minus 1, which is root 2. Next problem. In triangle ABC, small r is given as 1, capital R is given as 3, and delta area of the triangle is given as 7. Then we want AQ plus BQ plus CQ value. So for this, I'll give you the technique. Listen carefully. So actually, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is delta square. So here S is nothing but delta by small r, which is nothing but 7. So I can say that here 7 into 7 cube minus of a plus b plus c into 7 square plus ab plus bc plus ca into 7 minus abc, because it's a cubic equation, no? And delta value also you know, and it is delta square is 49. So please observe, is it correct or not? So S is delta by r, delta is 7 by r, which is 7 by 1. So S into S cube means 7 cube minus sum of the roots a plus b plus c into 7 square plus sum of the roots taken 2 at a time, ab plus bc plus ca into 7 minus abc equal to 49. We got 49. Now your requirement is AQ plus BQ plus CQ. So can I say AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This is a formula I will use to get this value. So to get this value, I need ABC value, A plus B plus C value, which is 2S, S already know. So I need A square plus B square plus C square value, and if I take minus common, AB plus BC plus CA. Very simple now. I think I'm giving the hint. I think most of you might understand what we will do now. When S we know, A plus B plus C will be 2S, which is equals to 14. Which is equal to 14. Then So after getting a plus b plus c equal to 14, can we do like this? ABC equal to 4R delta. So 4 capital R is 3 delta. So ABC value we can calculate. So please substitute a plus b plus c 14 ABC value here. From this you will get AB plus BC plus CA value. This is the calculation part I am giving to you. So AB plus BC plus CA value you can calculate. Then if you square a plus b plus c equal to 14, what you will get? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA equal to 14. You got already AB plus BC plus CA here, no? So if you substitute, what value you will get? You will get a square plus b square plus c square value. So I think you got all the values. If you substitute, you will get your required value, AQ plus BQ plus CQ. Next problem. The sides of the triangle ABC satisfy A plus B minus C equal to 2. And one more information is given, 2AB minus C square is 4. Okay. Now if I square this, what I'll get? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2AC equal to 4. So this 4 can I replace with the 2AB, because in the triangle only, no? So 2AB minus C square I can replace. So this 2AB gets cancelled on both sides. And if I bring C square left side, so I'll get A square plus B square plus 2C square minus 2BC minus 2 equal to 0. Now observe carefully what I am writing. So 2C squares are there, no? And BC is there, AC is there. That's why I'll write A minus C whole square. A square plus C square minus 2AC. And B minus C whole square I will write. So something square plus something square 0 means A minus C should be 0 and B minus C should be 0. So can I say A equal to C and B equal to C? This says that A equal to B equal to C, which is equilateral triangle. So substitute A equal to B equal to C here. So BC are equal, gets cancelled. So the value of A equal to how much? 2. Is it satisfying this or not? You can check, it will satisfy. Now, what is the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle for equilateral triangle is root 3 A square by 4. A square is 4. So area of the triangle is root 3. Okay. Thank you.